Guys, more packages are here. So excited. What is this? I don't remember. Let's open together. I just came home and I was gonna take my makeup off and I said, oh, you know, I think I have some packages to open because I saw them at the front door when I was passing. What's this? Oh, the hair. Guys, this is the wig. I'm like, what the hell is this? Guys, this better be bomb. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's the headband wig. Oh. Okay, so I got two head. Oh, that's lashes. They sent a pair of lashes with it, as them lashes are big and bold though. They sent also two wig caps. And this is the hair. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a whole get ready with me using this hair. Oh my gosh. Wow. So this is what the hair looks like, guys. It looks very nice. I wonder how I'm gonna put this on. Actually, let me see if I can fit it under this hair right here. I'm gonna see something. Let me see what could go, what could go on, what can go on. So I'm gonna have to like paste down the hair. The quality of this hair is very nice, if I must say so myself. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But guys, why the wig feel so small? My God. Lord help me, Jesus. Okay. 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 I understand. Okay. It's not bad. Lord, my ear itch up. Oh, this guy. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. I'm gonna really have to pull this down with my hair. My hair is so dirty. It's not even funny. Okay, let me just catch it up properly. See what can be done. I'm gonna catch it in the back. And I'm probably gonna have to oh, this go. I don't know how to do this, you know. And it has clips in there, so it kind of looks small for my head. My head big. No, my head don't big. It a go fit me though, you know. Come hell I water this me we got the wedding, so I know. Oh, them I go do it. Oh, them I go sleep tonight. Oh, Flash too sweet and too cute. Oh, them I go sleep tonight. Oh, I know. Oh, the baby done. Where the man will control the work day? God, the contractor. Okay. Okay, period. So I can actually pull it up like this. And I'm gonna have to wet it and style it and all these beautiful things. Guys, I forgot to figure it all because I cannot wear my natural hair to the wedding. It's just not gonna work for me. Me is a big woman. You understand? I think I'm gonna wash it and put conditioner, and I'm gonna have to style it. But guys, this not look bad. This not look bad at all. I'm gonna wear this plus my and I think once okay, once I braid my hair down, who is she, and do my edges and everything, this should be perfect for the wedding. Perfect. My husband finna be like, who is this? Okay, period. Okay, so let me try taking this off now. Lord have mercy. My sister gonna be laughing at me, but I'm gonna be cute, okay? Trust me, I'm gonna be cute. Guys, the wig is not bad at all. I like it. I'm gonna spray it down with water, put some conditioner and everything in there. I might do a review on this wig. Who knows? Your girlie is getting into that kind of stuff. So the hair don't bad at all. So this is the next package. Where is the scissors that I had? Let's open up the next package. My earpods died. That's no problem. Doesn't scare. Oh, this is my vacation bag. One of my vacation bags that I bought on Amazon. So let me show you guys what it looks like. It's very cute, by the way. Oh, and I think they sent my glasses as well. Look at this bag, guys. Oh my god, guys, when I say I'm going all out for this vacation, when I done, my father forgot give me some money. Look how cute this bag is. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh, I can drawstring this. Oh, to close up my stuff inside. Guys, dude, tell me this is not so cute. It is very cute. And I think they sent my glasses in this box as well. So let's open it and see. I'll bring you guys down some. Yeah, I think this is my glasses. Is it? Yes. Okay. Okay, period. They also gave me a glasses tightener, I think this is. Look at that. Let me not lose that part. I think it is. Oi, oi. Yeah, see? It's to tighten my glasses. Oh, that's so nice. That's so cute. What's this side? Oh, gadgets upon gadgets upon gadgets. They also sent me glasses wiper and a case. Okay, this brand is Pour Day. This nice, real bad. So let me get it out. This is gonna be my sunglasses, guys. And I got contacts, so y'all cannot hold me now when I put my contacts and put on these. Oh, you cannot talk to me anyhow. Talk to me nice, please and thank you. Once I put my hair is done, my braids. Oh, girl, oh yeah. So this is for daytime. This is nice, guys. I like this a lot. So that's my glasses for my trip. Oh, I don't need the plastic. I'm just gonna put it in the case. Put it in the case with the wiper. so that when I get there, the glasses will be in the... I'm actually gonna put this, whatever day I'm gonna wear the glasses, I'm gonna put it with that day's clothes, so I know exactly what it is. And I might buy some other glasses, or I might borrow some glasses from my sister, because she always has like accessory stuff like that. Because let me put back this on, because I can't see right now. I can't see. And now it's my Ulta box. I'm so excited for this, because guys, I know what's in there already, obviously, because I bought it. But my stuff that I like is in here. So I got, what the hell, why does this look open? Oh my god. New bottle, more sustainable. It better be the same formula. I ain't even gonna lie. This is my Dermalogica exfoliator, daily superfoliant. They had one that said age smart, but I don't know if they probably discontinued that one, or they said this one, it has the bottle, it says new bottle, same, new bottle, more sustainable. So it's the charcoal one. I also bought one for Simi so she could try and see if she likes it. She should love it. So I'm gonna take this to work for her tomorrow. I also got my nice Cinnamide brightening toner from Good Molecules. Guys, you need this in your life. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail. So yeah, my brightening toner is back. The only thing I have left to buy is my my Urban Skin RX, my combination bar, because that's the only one I like. The other ones are too drying for my skin, so I'm glad I got this one back. I could toss this box. And then guys, I bought this for my foot, because when I'm at work, I stand 8 hours a day. So when I wear shoes and I don't have comfortable shoes right now in this moment to wear to work, I'm gonna try to buy some. But when I stand up and my foot sweats, I have sweaty feet and sweaty palms. So when I stand up for so long, my foot sweats, the skin on my foot gets dry and crusty and it builds up. So I said, you know what, my friend had bought this years ago, a long time, like 2022, or yeah, 2022, and she uses this when she goes to the nail salon. So I say, you know what, let me buy this and I will have it to use at the nail salon, because sometimes I don't be trusting them people at the nail salon with those things that they use on your foot and on your fingers. It's like, did you really clean this? So I'm gonna take this with me when I go to the nail salon to get my pedicures, and also in between, when it's time for me to go, I'll use it in the shower when I'm taking a shower, to like just get off the dead skin and everything. So that's the haul for today. That's the unboxings for today. I'm gonna go eat my fish and crackers, because that's what's dinner for today. And I'm gonna chillax. Guys, I have so much of these Amazon boxes in my room right now, it's not even funny. I need to clear them out or put them in the garage so somebody can use them to do whatever they want to do. I don't know, send something, package or whatever. So I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna email something that I have for school. I need to send off this email for my classes, because summer B classes already opened like last weekend. So I need to hurry up so I can get my classes in. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll catch up with you guys. I have to be at work early tomorrow morning at like exactly at 10:55 or 10:45, whichever one. And I'm gonna order my clothes tonight. I need to finalize the cart, because guys, these things have to come ASAP. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in another video. I'll see you guys. My teeth hurts. I need to get insurance because my teeth hurts. I think I need to take my wisdom teeth out in the back. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. And for right now, I'm just gonna relax, take some medicine, and numb this teeth, because ooh, toothache is not a good thing. But thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next. Probably this is gonna be a continuous type of video, so I'm not even gonna close it out. And see you in the next clip. Love you guys so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, if you're watching the videos and you have not subscribed, it costs you $0. Just click the subscribe button, turn on your bell, so that you will be notified when I drop a new video. And I'm loving my little family over here. No drama, no bad vibes, no envy, no jealousy. Love that for us. Bye guys.